Who is the present Prime Minister of India? Option A. Narendra Modi. Option B. Amit Shah. Option C. Abdul Kalam. Option D. Rajnath Singh. Correct answer is option A. Narendra Modi. Which city is called as Pink City of India? Option A. Assam. Option B. Jaipur. Option C. Sikkim. Option D. Kerala. Correct answer is option B. Jaipur. Who is the present President of India? Option A. Draupadi Murmu. Option B. Venkaiah Naidu. Option C. Rajendra Prasad. Option D. Ramnath Kovind. Correct answer is option A. Draupadi Murmu. Minimum age required to become Prime Minister of India. Option A. 21. Option B. 25. Option C. 28. Option D. 31. Correct answer is option B. 25. Minimum age required to become President of India. Option A. 21. Option B. 30. Option C. 35. Option D. 31. Correct answer is option C. 35. Who is the Defence Minister of India at present? Option A. Rajnath Singh. Option B. Amit Shah. Option C. Narendra Modi. Option D. None. Correct answer is option A. Rajnath Singh. In which year Delhi became the capital of India? Option A. 1920. Option B. 1947. Option C. 1911. Option D. None. Correct answer is option C. 1911. Mumbai is the capital of which state? Option A. Maharashtra. Option B. Assam. Option C. Jharkhand. Option D. None. Correct answer is option A. Maharashtra. Hyderabad is the capital of which state? Option A. Manipur. Option B. Assam. Option C. Telangana. Option D. None. Correct answer is option C. Telangana. How many states are there in India? Comment your answer and please subscribe to my channel.